Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. We're excited to share fresh insights, helpful tips, and entertaining content with you every day. Whether you're an experienced expert or just getting started, our videos aim to inspire and educate. Join our enthusiastic community and be sure to hit the subscribe button and like our videos for the latest updates. Many chairs and tables are versatile pieces that can enhance both home decor and business opportunities. Their compact size makes them perfect for various settings, from cozy apartments to bustling cafes. These charming furniture items provide functionality while adding a decorative touch, making them appealing to homeowners and entrepreneurs alike. Weaken the use of many wooden chairs and tables. 1. Enhancing home aesthetics. In home decor, many chairs and tables can serve as accent pieces that elevate the overall aesthetic of a room. Whether placed in a living room, bedroom, or hallway, these small furniture items can add character and charm. A beautifully crafted mini table can become a focal point, while a stylish chair can complement existing decor, enhancing the visual appeal of any space. 2. Creating functional spaces. Many chairs and tables are ideal for creating functional spaces in any home. They can serve as side tables next to a sofa, providing a place for drinks or books, or as additional seating in small dining areas. Their compact nature allows them to fit into tight spaces without compromising on style, making them essential for maximizing functionality in smaller homes. 3. Personalization and customization. Homeowners can personalize their spaces with mini chairs and tables by choosing colors, finishes, and designs that reflect their individual tastes. Custom options allow for unique pieces that stand out and resonate with personal style. For example, a hand-painted mini chair can add a pop of color to a neutral room, while a rustic wooden table can bring warmth to a modern space. 4. Event decor and versatility. Mini furniture is also perfect for events and gatherings. They can be used in outdoor parties, intimate dinners, or themed celebrations, providing stylish and functional seating and surfaces. Their versatility allows hosts to create cozy arrangements without overwhelming the space, making them popular choices for event planners looking to enhance ambience. 5. Business opportunities in decor. For entrepreneurs, crafting and selling mini chairs and tables presents a lucrative business opportunity. With the growing trend of handmade and unique decor items, artisans can tap into a market eager for distinctive pieces. By creating well-crafted mini furniture, business owners can attract customers who appreciate quality and craftsmanship. 6. Custom solutions for commercial spaces. Many chairs and tables can be customized for various commercial applications, such as cafes, boutiques, and restaurants. Businesses can benefit from unique designs that align with their branding and atmosphere. Offering personalized options helps create a memorable experience for customers, encouraging repeat visits and enhancing brand loyalty. 7. Marketplaces and craft fairs. Participating in craft fairs and local markets allows artisans to showcase their mini chairs and tables directly to consumers. These events provide a platform for interaction, enabling creators to connect with their audience and gather feedback. The tactile nature of wooden furniture attracts shoppers looking for quality and uniqueness, making such venues invaluable for sales.